An OMI app is the combination of only two things, a layout and a screen profile. So it can be made very quickly, opposed to a traditional HMI, the drag and drop, building all the graphics on screens like InTouch. Um, the app has a substantial, beyond substantial, it has a huge amount of configuration to it, especially for the bigger apps. It'd be unthinkable to make a new app. But yeah, here in OMI, it's very quick to make an app because everything's already done. Templates are made, graphics are made, layouts are made, and then it's really just putting that together and deciding what shows, on which monitor, kind of thing. Um, so let's look at it. Go ahead and look under my Aviva folder, find something, a base template originally made by Aviva. Here's the View app. It's a grid of nine little squares there. New derived template. I'm going to call it just simply app because there's only going to be one app in our project, which is somewhat typical, somewhat realistic. All right, now double click the app. So it prompts me to select a screen profile. I only have one, so that's easy. Selected. The everything layout is the layout I'll pick. I only have one. Again, very easy. Click finish, and now the app is made. So much different than a standalone HMI. Okay, so yeah, I could change the layout here, but that initial wizard already has it set. I can do some stuff on what I show on navigation, and I'm not going to touch that right now. Let's just see it run. Click the preview. It pops up with this message, and it's just saying, don't use the preview for production. You haven't paid for it. So there's also some limitations, very limited limitations, but don't use it for production. Okay, we'll select do not show again. Click OK. All right, now this is the first time seeing the app run, so we're testing it. A healthy expectation would be for there to be some problems, and there are. I'm seeing two problems here. So the first of all is my alarm banner's getting cut off. I can't see my alarms down here. That's quick to fix. I'll show you how to fix it. If I go back to my IDE, I go back to visualization, open up my everything layout. The act of just opening the layout makes the app blink like something's changed, but it has not. Okay, here is my alarm. Banner, so I'll make that bigger. People they make it pretty tight because there's only so much vertical pixels to work with, and it's always showing, so there is a cost, real estate cost to that. Now when I save, my app automatically gets updated. Hey, my alarm banner's bigger. I'm still not seeing alarms. There's a second problem number 2 of 2 here. The query is 0% complete. So if I right click, go statistics, I should see a galaxy reference here to like line 1, for example. And I do not. It's referencing InTouch, which is what this thing defaults to. It's because an asset has not been selected. You feel like an asset has been selected because you're looking at Mixer 100, but it hasn't been selected in navigation. So this is just the default graphic in this pane. But if I go to my navigation here, we already see it responding and select line 1. I'll go ahead and select Mixer 100. I'm seeing Mixer 100's alarms here. Okay. And I can right click, go to statistics, and the query looks correct. Galaxy exclamation mark line 1. Okay, so that's creating an app.